let's start our class with a new topic, that is package, right? What is package? Packages are a way of structuring Python's module. Just, if I'm talking about package, then understand about the modules in the Python, right? Module name space by using dotted module names, right? So we will create a basic package for the modules. A package can have one or more modules, which means a package is a collection of modules and packages, right? So you can say that package can have one or more modules or functions or methods, which we are going to access one by one, right? A package can contain packages, right? Like package contain sub packages, right? So package is nothing but a directory folder. So I'm showing you that that is what this is a directory, right? We'll discuss this, how to create package. Before creating the package, I would like to make you understand about the directory or the package. This is the root directory, right? Which we will create first. SMS, right? SMS is a root directory, contains all sub packages like admin, user, tag, right? And contains two Python files also, right? Where admin contains some files, dashboard, services, products, or it can be anything. Can it can be made by yourself, by your own. Whatever is required, you can create by your own, right? So this is the simple project, right? Just try to understand only the concept of package. What is package, and uh, how to create package, and how to access package in the program, right? So this is the first sub package, right, inside the SMS root directory or the package, right, contains all the Python files, right? And same as the user may have some files, right? Files can be anything. You can create by your own file, right? So tech is another package which contains some files, right? So in this program, we will create this structure, right? So let's understand about, just create a simple root directory. Okay? Right click on the desktop and go to the option new and select the option folder, right? And just create the SMS, right? SMS, right? Okay, okay, it is. And we will go with that. And inside the SMS folder, we will further create three sub packages like admin, user, tag. I will create simple package admin, another package is user, another package is tag. And now here create a Python file. Just go to the notepad save a or create a blank or empty file in that folder SMS and give the name underscore init underscore dot py, right? To make sure the file should be correct. Underscore init underscore dot py, and now click on the seed button. This file has been created. Now copy this file and paste it inside each directory, each sub package, right? Paste it here, paste, paste it here also, and paste it here, right? So after this, create one of module that is uh, suppose uh, let's say main folder inside the SMS directory, right? Main dot py. This will be the main file. Okay, so this will be the main file in which we will write some code and try to access all the modules one by one, right? First of all, inside this, just create a file that is header.py. Create another one, footer.py. Okay, so here we have created these two files. The first one is footer and the second one is header. Now in the another folder, create profile and request, right? I'm just creating uh, two files inside the user module, right? So just create inside the use user package profile and another one is server.py. And now create the same file. I'm uh, creating two files inside the tech package, right? First one is profile.py and another one is work.py, right? So now see this, the structure of a project. Now I'm choosing that file and see this. This is the root directory or the root package, and I'm clicking on this. This this has containing three folders, three submodules, and two files, right? So in which all the all the folders contain the same file name, namely double underscore init dot py. Right? Create that file and copy and paste in each folder wherever you have created here. Right? Is it clear? And now inside the admin folder, create another two files, that is header and footer. And here text, inside the text folder, create profile and work. Okay, so same as user, profile and service. And what to do here? Just open these two files except this, right? Except init file. Just open all the files in the notepad, right? So just close that. So this is the footer header from admin. I'm going to make a comment here. Admin footer, just to make understand, right? Nothing else. I'm writing this file, this line to make you understand about uh, from where we are going to access this Python file, right? So admin footer, same as admin header. Okay, now another folder text. Just open these two files also here. Okay, tag profile, tag tag and work. You can see that work.py here. This is the part of the file. And tag profile. Okay, so now another folder is user, and open these two files and then notepad and user user profile. Okay, and user service. Okay, so I'm going to create uh, some function in these files. First of all, create a function in the footer that footer. The name of the function is footer, right? I'm going to keep the function name as the file name, right? So as the uh, module name, right? Now print admin footer. This is admin footer. Okay. So in the another file, Read the C code here, which is the function name, work, work, work. And after this, profile, user profile, profile. This server. Okay, so we have created these files, and now what to do? Just go back to the SMS root directory. Now here is the make file in which we will write some code to access all the modules here, and for that we will access the function inside that package, right? Suppose that these are the packages, right? Sub packages, admin tag user, and you will create a code in the main file, and you want to access the functions from admin tag user. Then how you will access, right? So just open that file in the ideally, right? So first of all, we will write import the name of your package, right? So which you want to access, admin, right? See this, I'm showing you package, right? So admin, and admin has two files, two functions, right? Two files, and these files contains the functions, right? So now I want to access the footer module, in which the footer contains a function, right? So footer contains a function that is footer, right? So I want to access this function. For this, you need to import admin dot footer, right? After this, just create, just write admin dot footer and dot footer, right? So don't be confused about this. This is the package name, and this is the module name, right? And this is the function name, right? So these two names are different. This is the package, sub package, right? So this is the function name, and now to execute this program, you need to go to the SMS folder, and now open this path in the command prompt, cmd, right? Just type the command in the file explorer path here, right? And just write Python. This is the short command to execute the main file of your project, and now give the name of your file, that is main dot file. This is the file name, and now hit the enter key. So this is what Okay, so the output is what? This footer, and footer contains what? So that message should be shown admin footer footer. Admin import admin dot footer, admin dot footer dot footer. Okay, so just save this program and now execute this program once again. Python dot py and see this. The, the message shown here from that function which we have created in the admin package and the admin module, right? So same as you can access another method of this package, right? So just open same file in the ideally, and now same as just write or change the package name footer to header, right? Header. Okay, now go to the back to the command prompt and write Python and name of your file and see this admin header. This is admin header. Okay, so in that way you can import your packages, right? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so in the another way to import your header or your function or the package, the syntax will be from admin import, and now import all modules, right, one by one. So I'm showing you that admin has only two files, two modules, footer, header. Now just import it, header and footer. You don't need to import one by one. Just import all the functions at the same time. And now whenever you call any of module from the here, so just you don't need to write admin also, right? So just remove that and now call any of package and call any function in this package, right? Now save this program and go back to the command prompt and write Python and give the name of your file, that is name, right? See this. This is header, and same as you can access both packages, footer dot footer. Just go back and write Python name. See this. This is admin header and this is footer. You're accessing these two functions from these two packages, right? Created inside that module, that is admin, right? And same as you can import another package like I'm showing you another package and see this. After executing, you will get a executable file that is PyCache, right? So you don't need to create this file. This file will be created automatically when your program is executed, right? So now come back to the main directory, that is SMS, and I'm going to access another one, right? So after this, you will you can access all the modules, all the packages, same as I'm accessing, right? So now I access user module. So just go to the main. Before accessing uh, that package, I want to show you something. If I want to write another syntax to import these packages, right? In place of these two packages, I just want to use the asterisk sign. If I use that sign at the same time here, right? So you will get an error. Before we haven't included that these two folders in the main, right? So I want to try to access these files, Python main. So you will get an error, that is name error, because it is not found. Why it is given that error? So because you have to write, or you have to pass these two packages inside int folder, inside int file, init file, right? So here you will create double underscore all double underscore equal and create a list and pass the module name which you want to be accessed by asterisk sign, right? So I just want to access these two files, right? So I will write header footer. Make sure whatever file you are having, whatever module, whatever packages you are having, and you want to be accessed by asterisk sign, you will have to pass here inside the list. And now save this file and root that file. And after this, go back to the program import. Like, and at the time I'm writing this asterisk sign and go back to the command prompt and write the same shortcut command, right? Python main.py, right? At the time, you will not get any error because you have imported, or you have included your file in the init file. So if you are not importing any of the package, or if you are not passing any of the package inside the list, suppose suppose I am removing or I am deleting that package from here, right? And now just save that program, right? And now go back to the command prompt and try to execute the same program by writing python main.py and now hit the press, sorry, hit the enter key. So you will get an error because it says footer, which we haven't imported here. So that means name error. The name footer is not defined, and you are not going to define that package here, and in the main file you you are trying to import that package by asterisk sign, right? So make sure all the package should be passed here. Okay, right header footer, and now save this program and choose that file, and now write Python main.py and hit the enter. We will not get any error at that time, right? So same as now, I'm going to add another package, that is user, in the main file. So same as you can write any of syntax, right? From or import, and you can write the simple syntax or mostly used syntax like from same syntax, right? Or import import what import user user dot profile, right? Dot profile, and now just user dot profile, because we have created the same function file. So that's why I'm writing profile, and now save this program and go back to the command to write the command file and file, right? Hit the entity and function we have accessed from user. So same as you can access all the functions from the different modules or the packages, right? So in that way, we can create their own package, own modules, and you can create your own functions inside the module or the package. Is it clear?
Yes.
So it will be dependent on the project which you want to be created, right? So the structure of the module or the packages will be dependent on the project, what type of project you are going to create. So the structure will be dependent on the project. So what type of modules your project having, right? So here I have created simple uh, simple project which is SMS, right? And which contains some packages like admin, user, and tag, right? So you may have some another project which may have contained some another packages, sub packages, and functions and classes and all, right? So you can access in that way, right? You can access all the things in that way from syntax, import syntax, and you can access all these things by asterisk sign by importing from the module name and import the asterisk, right? So in that way you can access all the things. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this was the session which we have discussed today, right? So this was your last session, and hope you have learned so many things in the Python. You have learned to core Python as well as the advanced Python. You have created a lot of projects in the core Python as well as the advanced Python, and you have created some um, web applications. So the frameworks like Django, like Flask, right? So if you are having your any problem in the in any sessions which we have discussed in the previous or in the past sessions, right? So if you are having any problem, you may access or you may ask at any time, right? So
Okay.
all the videos uploaded on the channel, on my channel, from the given link, you can access all the videos one by one from the starting to the up to the end of the class till today, right? So if let me
Yes.
know if you are having any problem. So I'll arrange an extra session to resolve your query, right? And I request you to send a message or feedback onto the group which you have connected, which you connected with your mentor, right? So please just send a feedback message and thank you very much.
Thank you.